Tro. Have you ever wondered how simple bamboo can become eco-friendly paper bags used around the world? Today, we take you deep inside a modern bamboo processing factory where raw bamboo stalks are transformed into durable paper packaging through an advanced industrial process. From harvesting giant bamboo forests to pulping, paper production, printing, cutting, and final bag manufacturing, every stage is powered by massive machines, precision engineering, and sustainable technology. Watch closely as nature and industry work together to create one of the world's most environmentally friendly packaging solutions. This is the complete journey of bamboo turning into paper bags. Stage 1, bamboo harvesting. The process begins in large bamboo plantations. Unlike traditional trees that may take decades to grow, bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. Some species can grow several feet in a single day. Workers carefully select mature bamboo stalks that are strong, thick, and rich in fiber. Using industrial cutting machines and mechanical saws, the bamboo is harvested close to the ground. After cutting, the long stalks are trimmed, bundled, and loaded onto transport trucks. Fresh bamboo still contains moisture, leaves, and natural sugars, making it ideal for fiber extraction. The harvested bamboo is then transported directly to the processing factory where the transformation begins. Stage 2, bamboo cleaning and cutting. Once the bamboo arrives at the factory, huge conveyor systems move the stalks into the cleaning section. Powerful water jets wash away dirt, dust, leaves, and outer impurities. Next, rotating cutting machines slice the bamboo into smaller chips and strips. Reducing the bamboo into uniform pieces helps improve the efficiency of the pulping process later in production. Inside the cutting unit, heavy-duty steel blades rapidly chop the bamboo into thousands of tiny fragments every minute. The chipped bamboo is collected and transferred through automated conveyor belts into giant storage silos. At this stage, the raw bamboo is now ready to be converted into pulp. Stage 3, bamboo pulp production. This is where the real transformation begins. The bamboo chips are fed into massive industrial digesters. Inside these giant pressure tanks, heat, steam, water, and special processing chemicals break down the hard bamboo fibers into soft cellulose pulp. The cooking process can take several hours under carefully controlled temperatures and pressure levels. As the bamboo fibers separate, the material slowly transforms into a thick slurry-like pulp after cooking. The pulp passes through multiple filtration and washing systems to remove impurities, excess chemicals, and unwanted particles. Some factories also use eco-friendly bleaching systems to brighten the pulp naturally without harming the environment. The final result is clean bamboo fiber pulp, the main raw material used for making bamboo paper. Stage 4, paper sheet formation. The wet bamboo pulp is now pumped into the paper-making machine. This enormous production line can stretch hundreds of feet long. First, the pulp is spread evenly onto a fast-moving mesh screen. As the screen vibrates, water drains away while the bamboo fibers begin bonding together into thin paper sheets. Next, the material enters a series of giant heated rollers. These rollers compress, dry, and smooth the paper under intense pressure and heat. The moisture level is carefully controlled to ensure the paper becomes strong, flexible, and durable. As the paper travels through the machine at high speed, it slowly transforms into large continuous rolls of finished bamboo paper. The giant paper rolls are then cooled and prepared for bag manufacturing. Stage 5. Printing and designing. Before the paper becomes bags, many factories add custom branding and designs. Large industrial printing machines apply logos, patterns, recycling symbols, and product information directly onto the bamboo paper rolls. Advanced printing systems ensure every design remains sharp, colorful, and perfectly aligned, even at extremely high speeds. Eco-friendly inks are often used to maintain the sustainability of the final product. After printing, the paper passes through drying chambers where the ink quickly cures onto the surface. The printed bamboo paper is then rolled again and moved to the bag production section. Stage 6. Paper bag manufacturing. Now, the bamboo paper finally begins turning into paper bags. Automated bag-making machines unwind the large paper rolls and feed them through precision folding systems. The machines fold the paper into exact shapes while applying industrial adhesive to create strong seams. Next, high-speed cutters slice the material into individual bag sizes. Some bags are made with flat bottoms for grocery use, while others are designed with handles for retail packaging. Robotic arms attach twisted paper handles or reinforced grip handles depending on the bag design. Every fold, cut, and glue application happens within seconds using synchronized automation. Modern factories can produce thousands of bamboo paper bags every single hour. Stage 7. Quality inspection and packaging. Before shipping, the finished bags go through strict quality control inspections. Automated sensors and workers carefully check each batch for strength, print quality, folding accuracy, and handle durability. Defective bags are removed immediately from the production line. The approved bags are counted, stacked, compressed, and packed into large cartons. Finally, forklifts transport the packaged products into warehouses ready for global distribution. These bamboo paper bags are now prepared for supermarkets, restaurants, retail stores, and eco-friendly businesses around the world. Ending! From a simple bamboo stalk growing in nature to a fully finished paper bag, the entire process combines sustainability, engineering, and industrial innovation. Bamboo's rapid growth and renewable nature make it one of the best alternatives to traditional plastic packaging. Modern factories continue improving this process to reduce waste, save energy, and create environmentally friendly products for the future. And that is how bamboo is transformed into eco-friendly paper bags inside a modern industrial factory. If you enjoyed watching this incredible manufacturing process, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more fascinating factory journeys from around the world. Process Intelligence AI, bringing industrial technology to life.